Smart city. A city is referred to be a smart city if it uses information and communication technology (ICT) to improve the quality and effectiveness of urban services including energy, transportation and utilities. Reduced resource usage, waste and overall expenses are prioritized in smart cities. A smart city has lots of uses for AI-powered, IoT-enabled technology, from maintaining a healthier environment to enhancing public transport and safety. Some of the components of smart cities are as follows. Smart traffic management. AI and IoT can implement smart traffic solutions to ensure that inhabitants of a smart city get from one point to another in the city as safely and efficiently as possible. Smart parking. Smart parking solutions can determine whether the parking spots are free or occupied and create a real-time parking map. This will reduce the waiting time to find an empty space, which would help in reducing traffic congestion and pollution. Smart waste management. Waste collection, its proper management and disposal is an essential city service. Adopting AI for smart recycling and waste management can provide a sustainable waste management system. Smart lighting. Street lights are necessary, but they consume a lot of energy, which can be reduced with the use of smart lighting. Lamp posts can also be fitted with additional sensors or serve as Wi-Fi network hotspot. Smart government. Smart city infrastructure is not complete without smart governance. Smart governance implies the use of ICT intelligently in order to improve decision and compliance towards the needs of the citizens.